Whether you are here on business, returning home, or visiting our world-class attractions, welcome to Orlando and Central Florida.
Hello, this is Orlando Mayor Glenn Dyer. Welcome to the city of Unity. You probably know Orlando for its world-class theme parks and attractions. However, there's so much more to do and enjoy. From our professional sports, high-tech and emerging medical industries, to our vibrant arts community. There is something for everyone. Enjoy your visit.
Like that.
You can do that, but it can't move around.
Please hold on to the handrail. The shuttle is approaching the main terminal building. When the shuttle stops, please exit and follow the signs to baggage claim A.